All right, so we're going to write the first 4 terms of the sequence whose nth term or general term is given by this equation. So we're going to do the same thing we did in example 1. We're going to find a sub 1, but notice it's a fraction, so I'm going to leave a little extra space there. A sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4. That's all I had to do, right?
Sure.
So on the other side, where I had an n, we're going to plug in the term number that it is. So negative 1 to the first over 2 to the first plus 1. Negative 1 squared over 2 squared plus 1.
Oh my gosh.
Negative 1 cubed over 2 cubed plus 1.
Who wants to do this?
And negative 1 to the fourth over 2 cubed plus 1.
I don't know the answer.
Hey, you put
Wait, you mean
hey,
4,
you
yeah.
put a 4, or you're supposed to put a 4 on the
Oh, you're right. Thank you. Good catch. That's supposed to be a 4, not a 3 down there. That's a big 4.
I think I might permit sewage.
Okay, so when we go to work this out, I'm looking at the first one. In the numerator, we have negative 1 to the first, which is what?
1.
Negative 1. Over, on bottom, we have 2 to the first, which is
2.
plus 1.
Which is 3.
So on top, I still have negative 1 over what's 2 plus 1.
3.
So we got negative 1/3.
Okay, well, can you teach us how to do the calculator?
When I do the second one there, we have negative 1 squared, which is
1.
over 2 squared, which is
4.
plus 1. And so we get 1 over 5. All right, keep going. What is negative 1 cubed?
It's still 1.
Negative 1. Remember, if a negative number is raised to an odd exponent, it's going to be negative. If a negative number is raised to an even exponent, it'll be positive. And then in the denominator, we got 2 cubed, which is
That's definitely 8.
plus 1. So we get negative 1 over.
9.
And then for my fourth term there, what is negative 1 to the fourth?
That's definitely 1.
It's a positive 1 over what's 2 to the fourth?
That's definitely about 12.
2 times 2 is
16.
4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16.
Yes, I already said that.
Plus 1. So we got 1 over,
17.
and there's my first 4 terms.